Hi, my name is Elijah, and this is my YouTube channel that I'm gonna make today. And you know what the channels are always called, and I want to teach you about snakes. So some snakes are nice, some snakes are mean, some snakes are poisonous and they make you hurt, and some snakes this is a snake that you never heard of. But they're called suck up. They're called suck up flowers, and they eat flowers. And that's gonna be the first one that I'm gonna say. Ooh, do you hear that? Let's go see it. We're gonna go in there. Yeah. It's called a fast snake. It goes really fast.
Back up, son. Come here.
What?
Look, dude, we really found a snake.
And there's a snake.
Stay over here.